Malcolm, what are we doing this morning?
In the chick walk.
What does a chick log mean? Does that mean we're going to take care of the chicks? Great. Let's see how they're doing. There are chickens everywhere. It's almost like they think every time a human comes, they're going to get a treat. Which is wrong. That's what they think.
Yep.
Malcolm, look, the chicks think that the stick is food. They're trying to eat it. All right, let's check and see how it's going. Still looking green in here. That's good.
Them are higher than
All right, so we've got the chick shop open. The food tray is empty. If you see a barred rock fly in here, they're swarming right now and being super curious about what I'm doing. Come on, girl. Come on. Get off the food, please. Thank you. Contrary to me talking to them, chickens cannot understand English, as far as I can tell.
They want to get rained on.
So you can see the chickens swarm because I don't care if I make a mess. A little food falls, they get a little crazy. That's fine. They're going to go crazy on the whole feed in a minute. I'm now feeding them a whole container of food twice a day. They don't eat it all right off the top. It takes them to about 2 o'clock to empty this tray. And then they get a new one. Because they wake up before I do, it makes sure they have a little food first thing in the morning. See how the water's doing?
Wow.
Perfect.
Perfect.
Almost like I filled it yesterday. It looks like they're drinking about 1.5 gallons of water in an afternoon, which is fine. I bring up a hose in the afternoon and refill everything. Malcolm, get any more thoughts on the chicks right now?
I think the chicks are making quite a mess.
They're making quite a mess. All right, let them have their breakfast. All right, see you guys later.
Ah! They're going crazy.
Yeah, they're going crazy. Just got so much freaking nature in my backyard. You know what I'm saying? So much. A flock of magpies working their way across the yard today when we came home from the city. The chicks have figured out nothing because they're stupid. But I tell you what, tomorrow I'm going to bring the waterer back out here again and put it down there with them. I think they're pretty close to the size of the waterer. This guy right here, definitely a dominant rooster. A big boy. If you want a Cornish game hen, now's the time. But we're not going for Cornish game hens. I offer that to my wife every time that she says, oh, they're the size of Cornish game hens, but every time she refuses. Excuse me, I've got a herd of chickens that I have to get through here. They're all curious about what the heck I'm doing with these other chickens instead of them. I guess they just don't feel special anymore with meat birds outside. So, next week, it's so cute when they try to fly. Next week I'm going to be gone for 3 days again. What I'm going to do is I'm going to post a series of videos on how to make this. So you'll have all that, including the cut sheet and everything. I'm just going to lay it all out, make videos. If you follow it exactly, you can make exactly this. I thought you might appreciate that. What, do you guys want your food? Don't eat the stick. Might be fiber, but it's no good for you. Down periscope. The chickens are happy. The pigs are happy. The flock. They're thinking they didn't get a treat today. But they had a little catastrophe. The automatic door on their chickshaw was acrylic. Yesterday, Malcolm and I came out here and noticed that the acrylic had fractured in 2 different areas, so we've replaced it with pegboard. Maybe if I... There you go, now you can see it. We replaced it with pegboard today. It's not a good long-term solution, but it'll last longer than that acrylic did. We'll see you all tomorrow.